Let's go to hasura.io/cloud and let's click start for free. I already logged in, but if you don't have an account or you're not logged in, make sure to do so. I'm gonna go ahead and create a new project. It's gonna be free tier, and here I'm gonna name this JAMstack Saas, and I'm gonna pick a region. The only available one for free, the one in US East, which is fine. Let's go to database setup. I'm gonna try with Heroku and click in here to authenticate, and we'll allow it. And now it's creating the setup for us. Now let's click create project. Once the project is created successfully, let's add an admin secret. Let me paste in the secret. Let's click update. The password, never. And now it's doing an initializing. After the initialization, let's click on launch console. And now let's go to data. Let's create our first table. Let's call this user, and we will have email. Before email, let's have an ID, and this can be integer with auto increment. Let's also have the user ID. This will be coming from Netlify, and this can be text and the ID. And also we're gonna have the email. Email is gonna be text. Also, maybe you wanted to have unique. And primary key, we're gonna pick the ID. And also let's add the table. Let's go to GraphQL again, and you can see here we can get our user. And it's empty because we didn't have any record in here.